let's talk about digital marketing. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Ugh, not another boring lecture on marketing. But wait, digital marketing is not just some dry corporate jargon. It's the lifeblood of modern business, and it's a whole lot more exciting than it sounds. Think about it. Every time you scroll through your social media feed or search for something online, there's a whole world of marketing strategies working behind the scenes to grab your attention. So, let's dive into it together and explore how businesses connect with us. Yes, you and me, right where we spend most of our time. Online. First off, let's break down the main digital marketing channels. You've got your search engine optimization, or SEO. This is all about making sure that when you search for something on Google, the website you want pops up at the top of the results. Imagine you're looking for the best chocolate chip cookie recipe. You want the good stuff, right? So businesses optimize their content with keywords to rank higher. It's like a treasure hunt where the prize is your attention, and they want to be the ones you find first. Then there's content marketing. This is where the magic happens through blogs, infographics, and video tutorials. It's about creating valuable, relevant content that not only attracts you but keeps you coming back for more. Picture this. You're scrolling through a blog that not only teaches you how to bake those cookies, but also shares a fun story about the history of chocolate chips. You're hooked, and suddenly, that brand is more than just a name. It's a part of your baking journey. And let's not forget social media marketing. Who doesn't love scrolling through Instagram or Facebook? Brands are using these platforms to engage with us in real time. They're not just posting ads, they're starting conversations, running targeted ad campaigns, and even sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of their products. It's like getting a sneak peek into their world, and we love it. Now, if you've ever received a promotional email that made you smile, you've experienced email marketing. This is where brands use personalized emails to nurture leads and maintain relationships. It's not just about selling, it's about connecting. Think about those newsletters that land in your inbox, filled with tips, discounts, and updates. They're not just noise, they're a way for brands to say, hey, we care about you. Pay-per-click advertising, or PPC, is another fascinating channel. It's like a game where advertisers pay each time you click on their ad. Ever notice those ads on the side of your Google search results? That's PPC in action. It's a strategic way for brands to get in front of you when you're actively searching for something. And the best part? You're in control. If you're not interested, you just scroll past. Affiliate marketing is also worth mentioning. This is where brands partner with individuals or businesses to promote products in exchange for a commission. Think of your favorite influencer sharing a link to a product they love. It's a win-win because you discover something new, and they get rewarded for sharing it. And let's not overlook influencer marketing. Collaborating with influential personalities is a powerful way to reach audiences. When a YouTuber you trust talks about a product, it feels like a recommendation from a friend. You're more likely to check it out, right? It's all about building trust in a crowded marketplace. Video marketing is another big player. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok have transformed how we consume content. A quick product demo or a heartfelt testimonial can create a connection in mere seconds. It's engaging, it's relatable, and it's often the first step in our decision-making process. Now, why is all of this important? Establishing an online presence is crucial. It allows businesses to reach a wider audience, breaking geographical barriers. Imagine a small e-commerce shop in your town selling handmade crafts to customers across the globe. That's the power of digital marketing. Plus, it's accessible 24/7. You can interact with a brand at any time, whether it's midnight or midday. And let's talk about cost effectiveness. Traditional advertising can be expensive, but digital channels like social media and email marketing are often more affordable, allowing small businesses to compete with the big players. It levels the playing field, giving everyone a chance to shine. Customer engagement is another key aspect. Digital platforms foster direct interaction, allowing brands to respond to inquiries and build relationships. Have you ever tweeted at a brand and received a quick response? That's them investing in you, making you feel valued, and it works wonders for loyalty. Now, how do we measure success in this digital landscape? That's where key performance indicators, or KPIs, come into play. These are the metrics that help businesses evaluate their marketing efforts. Website traffic, conversion rates, click-through rates. These numbers tell a story. They show what's working and what needs tweaking. For instance, a high bounce rate might indicate that visitors aren't finding what they expected, while a solid return on investment shows that the marketing efforts are paying off. So the takeaway here is clear. Digital marketing isn't just a trend. It's a vital part of how businesses connect with us in today's world. Through channels like SEO, social media, and email, brands are reaching out, engaging with us, and building relationships. An online presence isn't just important, it's essential. And with the right KPIs, businesses can navigate this ever-changing landscape, ensuring they stay relevant and effective. So the next time you scroll through your feed or open an email, remember, there's a whole strategy behind it, designed to connect with you. And that's pretty cool, don't you think?